Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you? I hope you'll be fine. Think new syllabus, chapter number 1, exercise 1B. Today we are going to do question number 1 and onwards. So pick up the pencils, watch the video till the end, and do not skip the video for you're going to miss out the important points. आज हम सीखने वाले हैं how to find out the square root of a given number using prime factorization method. ठीक है? First, we are going to find out what is a prime factorization method. So we have learned it while doing exercise 1A. Simply we make a table, write down the number that is given on the right side, and then try to find out its factors that are the prime factors of the given number on the left side. ठीक है? जो given number होता है उसके हमने सबसे पहले prime factors निकालने होते हैं on the left side using the divisibility rule that we have learned so far. If a given number is an even number, we are going to divide it with 2 until and unless it turns out to be an odd number. ठीक है? जब तक एक even number आपके पास है आपने उसको 2 से ही divide करते जाना है unless आपके पास एक odd number आ जाए. For example, we have number 1 part A 1764 1764. All we need to do is it's an even number, so we are going to start dividing it using 2. ठीक है, हम इसको 2 से divide करेंगे. 2 के टेबल में 1 नहीं आता. We'll take 2 digits together. It would be 17. Now we are going to read the table of 2 and 16, the number that is before 17 comes in the table of 2. So we are going to take 16 and we will read out 2 8s are 16, 1 is remainder. So we'll add 1 with 6, it becomes 16. Again, 2 8s are 16 and 2 2s are 4. This is how we have to divide it as per division rules. Okay. Next we have 2 4s are 8, then 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2. Now we have an odd number. We cannot divide it with 2 anymore. So we have to find out another prime factor that would divide 4 4 1. Okay, students. So we'll move to the next prime number, that is 3. And the divisibility rule of 3 says that just add up all the digits and find out if the sum of the digits is divisible by 3 or not. If the sum of the given digits of a number are divisible by 3, then the number itself is also divisible by 3. So if we look for 4 plus 4 plus 1, it gives us a 9, which is divisible by 3. Hence, this number is also divisible by 3. So we are going to divide 441 with 3. 3 ones are 3. 1 is remainder. We'll add 1 with 4. It becomes 14. 3 4s are 12. That is smaller than 14, but comes in the table of 3. Then we have a 2 remainder. We'll add up with 1. It's 21. 3 7s are 21. Now we have 1 plus 4 plus 7. We'll check it if it comes in the table of 3 or not. 1 plus 4 plus 7. Yes, it is. It is 12, which is divisible by 3. So 3 would be the factor of 147, 2. We are going to divide it again with 3. 3 4s are 12. Then 2 remainder, 2 7, 27, 3 9s are 27. Now we know that 49 is the perfect square of 7. We have learned it so far. 7 7s are 49 and 7 1s are 7. So here we have ended up with the prime factorization of 1764. This is how you have to attempt such type of questions. Next, this is what prime factorization is up to. ठीक है, prime factorization complete हो गई यहाँ पर, but we have to go one step further where we have to find out the square root. Students, what is a square root? We have learned it in the earlier classes that when we square a number, we just multiply it by itself. Okay, so there are 2 1s in this, so the square of 1 would be 1. When it comes to square of 2, it means there are 2 2s, so we are going to multiply 2 with 2 and we are going to have 4. Similarly, 3 square is 3 into 3, that is 9. This is what we are squaring the numbers. Okay, now let's move and go a step forward and just find out the square root of these squares. Okay, these are the squares of consecutive numbers, that is the numbers coming one after another. ठीक है, 1 2 3 4 5 6 इनके squares हमारे पास यहाँ पर, let's take another square of 4 and it's 16. So these are the perfect squares of consecutive numbers. ठीक है, consecutive numbers का मतलब कि इनके जो roots हैं वो consecutive है, 1 2 3 4, इनके squares हमारे पास 1 4 9 16. These are the squares of these numbers. तो अगर हम यहाँ पर squares से reverse में काम करें and if we need to find out the square root, what we are going to do, we will simply find out the roots in pairs. ठीक है, जब भी रूट निकालने की बात आती है तो उसके लिए हमें pairs की जरूरत पड़ती है. ठीक है, तो 1 is the square of a pair of 1 into 1. That is similarly 4. 4 is the product of 2 into 2. 9 is the product of 3 into 3. Similarly, 4 is the product of 2 into 2. So it tells us that whenever we need to find out a square root, we should have the factors in pairs. हमें वहां पर factors को pairs में चाहिए, तब ही हम उसका root निकाल सकते हैं. तो what would be the root of 1? It's 1. Root of 4 is 2. Root of 3 is 3. 9 is 3. Root of 16. So let's find out the root of 16. It's 4 into 4, that is 4. So you see students, जब आपको square root find out करना होगा तो आपको जो factors find करने हैं वो pairs में चाहिए. And how can you get that? By using this prime factorization method. Now just look for the factors given over here on the left side. 2 is in pair. Again, 3 is in pair. 7 is also in pair. There are no remainders, no leftovers. It means that 1764 is a perfect square. So all we are going to do is we will just write down 1764 in this under root and write its factor on the right side in pairs. This is how we are going to write it down. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7 into 7. Okay, just put a bar over these pairs so you may change them into squares in the next step. Okay, this is how you have to do it in steps. ठीक है, अब जब आपके पास all the powers are same, you can write it down right like this. 2 into 3 into 7 whole square. Then this whole square will be cut with this square and you will find the square root of 1764. What would it be? 2 3s are 6, 6 7s are 42. It means that 1764 is the perfect square of 42. 42 is the root of 1764 and 1764 is the square of 42. This is how you have to find out the स्क्वायर रूट्स. ठीक है, तो अब यहाँ पर हमारे पास इसी तरह से जो नेक्स्ट नंबर्स हैं हमने उसके भी जो है वो यहाँ पर रूट्स फाइंड आउट करने हैं. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट वी हैव 576. We will do the same method. First, we are going to find the factors using prime factorization method, and then we will just make the factors in pairs. This is an even number, so again we have to start it with 2. 2 2s are 4, 1 is remainder, 1 7 17, 2 6 are 18, 2 6 are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16. Again 1 is remainder, 1 6 16, 2 8s are 16. Now this is an even number, so 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8. Again it's an even number, so we are going to divide it with 2. 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4. Again, it's an even number. 2 3s are 6, 1 remainder, 1 2 12, 2 6 are 12. So you see, there are so many 2s out there. Next, we have 2 9s are 18, and here ends up the 2s because of an odd number. And now we are going to divide it with 3 because 3 is the factor of 9. So 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. This was the first step. We have found out the prime factors of 576. Now we have to make their pairs. So you see, the complete pairs are provided over here. It means that 576 is again a perfect square. Okay, just follow the steps. 2 into 2, 1 pair. 2 into 2, another pair. 2 into 2, the third pair of 2. So we have a total of 3 pairs of 2 in this number. And then a pair of 3. Next, we have to write them in a round bracket, putting this power. This will cut it down. So we will have 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. 8 threes are 24. It means 576 is the perfect square of 24. 24 is the square root of 576. तो आपने देखा किस तरह से हम सिंपल तरीके से सिर्फ और सिर्फ प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन करके फिर इंडेक्स नोटेशन में प्राइम फैक्टर्स को लिखते हैं और इस तरह से हम आसानी के साथ स्क्वायर रूट फाइंड आउट कर लेते हैं। चलिए जी, नेक्स्ट वी हैव क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 पार्ट सी। Similarly, students, we have to do part C and part D of the same question. Let's just do it the same way. 2916 is part C. Again, it's an even number, so we are going to start it dividing with 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8, 1 is remainder 11, 2 fives are 10, 1 6 16, 2 eights are 16. 2 sevens are 14, 2 twos are 4, 1 is remainder, 2 nines are 18. Now we have an odd number, and this is a number that is divisible by 3, since 7 plus 2 plus 9 gives us a sum of 18. So we are going to divide it with 3. 3 twos are 6, 1 remainder, 1 2 12, 3 fours are 12, 3 threes are 9. Again, it is divisible by 3. 3 eights are 24, 3 ones are 3. Again, it is divisible by 3. 3 27s are, 3 nines are, 3 threes are, and 3 ones are. So there are so many threes in this number as a factor. 2916 is the product of 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So there is a total of 6 3. That is 3 pairs. So how are we going to write it down? 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 as a whole square. Okay? So this will cut down the root. 2 into 3, 6. 6 threes are 18. And 18 into 3 is equals to 54. It means 2916 is the perfect square of 54. Simple. ठीक है, तो बस आपने क्या करना है, प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन को अप्लाई करना है, एंड नेक्स्ट यू हैव टू just make the pairs of the given factors and write them in the product form. ठीक है, अच्छा, नेक्स्ट वी हैव 3136. अगेन इट्स एन इवन नंबर. यहाँ पर भी हम यही करेंगे, सिंपल जो रूल है वो हर जगह पर सेम फॉलो होगा. 2 ones are 2, 1 1 11, 2 fives are 10, 1 3 13, 2 6 are 12, 1 6 16, 2 eights are 16. Again, it's an even number. 2 sevens are 14, 1 6 16, 2 eights are 16, 2 fours are 8. 2 threes are 6, 1 8 18, 2 nines are 18, 2 twos are 4, 2 ones are 2, 1 9 19, 2 nines are 18, 1 2 12, 2 6 are 12. 2 nines are 18, 2 eights are 16, 2 fours are 8, 2 nines are 18. Now this is an odd number, so we have to divide it with a number that is a factor of 49, which is 7. 7 sevens are 49, 7 ones are 7. So here comes all the factors of 3136, that is 6 twos and 2 sevens. 2 into 2, one pair, 2 into 2, another pair, and 2 into 2 is the third pair. Next, we have a pair of 7. So it gives us 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. Right, students? Just cut it down. Then you will get 8 into 7, which is 56. It means 3136 is the perfect square of 56, and the under root of 3136 is 56. Okay, students, now move to question number 2. This question is the part 2 of question number 1, where the first part has already been done for you. That is, you have been provided with the prime factorization of the given numbers, right? So this is the same sort of question, but half of the part of question number 1 has already been done for you. यहाँ पर इन्होंने prime factorization करके आपको factors in the form of index notation already बता दिए हैं. आपके पास प्राइम फैक्टर्स आर ऑलरेडी प्रोवाइडेड इन द फॉर्म ऑफ इंडेक्स नोटेशन. वहां पर हम क्या कर रहे थे, यहाँ पर हमारे पास हम पहले प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड से प्राइम फैक्टर्स को फाइंड करते थे और फिर उनको यहाँ पर हम लिख रहे थे इन द फॉर्म ऑफ पेयर्स. यहाँ पर ऑलरेडी हमारे पास जो फैक्टर्स हैं वो हमें गिवन है. ऑल वी नीड टू डू इज वी जस्ट हैव टू फाइंड आउट द स्क्वायर रूट given that the prime factorization has already been provided for the following numbers. So how it needs to be get done? Let's see. We have to find out the square root of 9801, the factors of 9801 are 3 raised to power 4 into 11 raised to power 2. Acha ji students. In the last question, what were we doing? We just make pairs of every square, even if it is more than 2 times. ठीक है, अगर हमारे पास 4 2s होते थे तो हम 2 2 के पेयर्स बना रहे थे. ठीक है, बट हम इसको 2 स्क्वायर इंटू 2 स्क्वायर भी लिख सकते हैं. एंड वी हैव ऑलरेडी लर्न के प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन के अंदर हमारे पास जो नंबर्स रिपीट होते हैं हम उनको इंडेक्स नोटेशन में एक साथ भी लिख सकते हैं. वी कैन राइट इट डाउन एज 2 raised to power 4 since we have 4 2s in this number, in any number. For example, तो इसके अगर हमें पेयर्स बनाऊं तो मेरे पास 2 raised to power 4 में कितने पेयर्स बनेंगे? 2 पेयर्स. इसका मतलब सिंपल ये है कि मेरे पास यहाँ पर जो भी पावर है, ऑल आई नीड टू डू इज मैंने उसको सिर्फ डिवाइड कर देना है 2 से. मेरे पास जो आंसर आएगा इतने नंबर ऑफ पेयर्स हमने यहाँ पर बनाने हैं. एंड इफ यू फाइंड इट डिफिकल्ट, just do it this way. If you have been provided with 3 raised to power 4, just write them in the product form, make its pairs, and you will get to know how to write them in the squares. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर अगर 3 की पावर 4 है तो सिंपली आप क्या कर सकते हैं? यू कैन राइट इट डाउन एज 3 स्क्वायर इंटू 3 स्क्वायर. यस, ठीक है. अगर नहीं समझ में आ रहा आपका, कभी कभी ऐसा होता है इंसान को क्लिक नहीं कर पा रही होती कुछ चीजें, तो ऑल यू नीड टू डू इज जस्ट ओपन इट अप एज अ प्रोडक्ट. एज अ प्रोडक्ट इसको ओपन करें. 3 raised to power 4 का मतलब क्या है? देयर आर 4 3s. ठीक है, आपने सबको अलग अलग करके लिखा. नेक्स्ट मेक द पेयर्स, उसके पेयर्स बनाइए और बस आपके पास जब सारे फैक्टर्स इन पेयर्स आ जाए तो राइट देम टुगेदर इन अ ब्रैकेट. ठीक है, एंड पुट द पावर 2 एज अ होल. अब आप यहाँ पर इसको आराम से सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. इसमें कुछ भी मसले वाली बात नहीं है. इट्स जस्ट द सेम दैट वी डिड इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. तो वी हैव 2 3s and 1 11. 3 3s are 9. 9 into 11 is 99. It means 9801 is the perfect square of 99. ठीक है, you can also check this out. Next we have 35721. इसका हम भी फाइंड आउट कर लेते हैं. देखते हैं कि इसके हमारे पास यहाँ पर क्या फैक्टर्स गिवन है. तो ये देखिए, यहाँ पर वी हैव 6 3s. 3 raised to power 6 into 7 स्क्वायर. बस आपने क्या करना है? 3 को आपने 6 टाइम्स ओपन अप करना है और यू हैव टू मेक द पेयर्स. 3 raised to power 6 का मतलब है देयर आर 3 pairs of 6. 3 pairs of 3. ठीक है, अब देखिए, we can write it down as 3 into 3 into 3 into 7 raised to power square. Since we have 3 square into 3 square into 3 square. Is it? तो यहाँ पर क्या हो गया? सिंपल. अब आपने क्या करना है? इन सबको you have to just multiply. 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. 27 into 7 is equals to 189. It means 35,721 is the perfect square of 189. Simple. ठीक है, बस हमने क्या किया वो स्टेप्स को आपने यहाँ पर फॉलो करना है. नेक्स्ट वी हैव 24,336. I don't know, but most of the students find question number 1 easier than question number 2. Although question number 2 is more simple than question number 1 because you don't have to perform prime factorization in this very question. ठीक है, यहाँ पर prime factorization has already been done for you, but still sometimes students get confused in this question. मैंने आपको जो यहाँ पर method बताया है, if you follow the method, you won't be getting confused the next time. ठीक है, यहाँ पर हमारे पास 4 twos हैं, ठीक है, it means we have 2 pairs each. ठीक है, तो we can write it down as 2 square into 2 square into 3 square into 13 square. Now all the factors are in pairs, that is having power 2. It means we can write them like this: 2 into 2 into 3 into 13, and we just have to multiply them and cut this root with this power 2. ठीक है, so what we need to do is multiply 2 into 2 into 3 is 12 into 13 is equals to 156. It means it is the square of 156, right? Next, we have the last part of this question. Let's see what to do in this one. It is 518,400. And then 2 raised to power 8 multiply by 3 raised to power 4 multiply by 5 raised to power square. It means we have 4 pairs of 2, right? We can write it down as 2 raised to power 4 into 2 pairs of 3. 3 raised to power 4 means 2 pairs of 3. That is 3 square into and 1 pair of 5. So 5 would remain same. And then we are going to write down this power 2 outside. You can check this, students. If you have any sort of confusion, write it down over here. 2 into 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 2. This is what 2 raised to power 8 tells us, that there are 8 twos. Now make pairs. How many pairs would you make out of 8 twos? Of course, 4. So it would be 2 square into 2 square into 2 square into 2 square. And you can write them as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 and power 4 outside. And now you can combine these 4 twos together. That is 2 raised to power 4. Achha, here we have a power 2, not 4. And we have a power 2 outside. This is how 4 multiplied by 2 gives us 8, that is which was given over here. So we can write it down as 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8, 8 twos are 16, right? 2 raised to power 4 means 16 into 3 threes are 9 into 5. And now we have to multiply all 3 in the next step. So what would be the answer? 16 into 9 into 5 is equals to 720. It means 518, a 6-digit number, is the perfect square of a 3-digit number, that is 720, which means 518,400 is the perfect square of 720, and 720 is the square root of this very number, that is 518,400. And here we have completed question number 1 and 2. Inshallah, in the next video, we are going to do more questions out of these exercise 1B. So students, if you like the video, please hit the like button, do subscribe to my channel. Take care. Allah Hafiz.